Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a 2020 nighttime cleaning routine. As you guys know, we are home all day, every day right now. We're eating 3 meals a day at home and the house can get way out of hand really fast in the evening time. I have 3 kids that are 4 and under and they keep me on my toes. They keep me so busy all day long. So I like to take an hour every single night after they go to bed just to get my home back in order, just to get everything clean and tidy, because honestly there is no better feeling than a home that's refreshed and clean when you wake up in the morning. So right after dinner on this night we went for a walk and we went to our neighborhood park because it's always empty, and we just played and we're outside. So we did not do any of the cleaning or the dishes. So I had a lot of dishes to do on this night. And I've been averaging about 2 loads of dishes a day. I usually do one after lunchtime and then again at dinner time. So I had to unload the dishes from lunchtime first before I could reload. So I am a true crime junkie. I love true crime YouTube channels and podcasts. I'm always looking for recommendations, so leave some in the comments below if you have any. But I love to just listen. It totally distracts me while I'm cleaning, and it's just a time of night that I really look forward to. If by chance this is the first time that you're stopping by my channel, I just quickly wanted to hop on and say hi, my name is Amy, and I am so glad that you're here. Here on my channel, I do lots of cleaning motivation because with 3 kids, life gets pretty messy around here, and I love to do homemaking and home decor content as well. So if you like what you see today, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. I would absolutely love to have you join my YouTube family. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, make sure you go check out my handle. It's at amy.fritz. I post a lot more day in the life, day-to-day stuff with me and the kids over there, and I'd love to have you follow over there as well.
Searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
So now that the dishes are finally done, it feels like an eternity later, I'm going to go ahead and clean out my sink. This is my favorite nighttime cleaning chore. I don't know why. It is just so satisfying to have a clean sink, especially with mine being white. I feel like it gets dirty really easily. So on this night, I'm just going to use some antibacterial dish soap, scrub everything out, and give it a good rinse.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you.
I always like to start with my dishes because it's my least favorite chore, and once I have the dishes done, I feel like I'm ready to tackle the rest of the kitchen pretty easily. It's pretty downhill from here. I'm just going to go ahead and remove all of the clutter off the countertops, put everything back in its home, and get everything nice and tidy.
Beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you
A lot of times at nighttime when I put all of the leftovers away, I kind of make a mess of the fridge because I'm going really fast. I'll also tend to make a mess while I'm cooking, throwing things back in the fridge. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but I like to just take a second, get the leftovers in order, and just kind of reorganize the fridge and put anything away that I may have forgotten. So I like to give my stovetop a good cleaning, probably every other night is more realistic. Sometimes it's every night. It just depends on what I'm making, but I'm just quickly gonna spray everything down with my Thieves household cleaner from Young Living. I love this stuff as a degreaser. I feel like it works really well on stainless steel.
Hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Ooh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're
And now I'm just going to go in with some Clorox wipes, and I'm going to wipe everything down, all of the countertops, all of the knobs, and just all of the high contact surfaces.
until my lungs give out you're beautiful.
If you'll notice, while I'm moving from surface to surface, I'll fold my wipe. That's just to make sure I'm using a new surface of the wipe each time I'm cleaning a new area. I don't want to just spread germs around by using the wipe the same way the entire time, if that makes sense. So you'll kind of see me fold it and move it a bunch of times while I'm cleaning. That's just because I'm trying my best to make sure that I'm not spreading germs around.
Looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out you're beautiful.
Now that everything is wiped down, I'm just going to take my herbs out of their pots and put them in this sink, and I'm going to give them a quick bath. I like to rinse them in the sink. It's super easy, and then I'll just leave them there for the next hour or so while I continue cleaning, just to kind of let them drain out and dry, and then I'll put them back.
But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time.
Because my kids are so messy and I'm trying to be extra careful right now, I am going through every single night and sweeping and then going in with my steam mop to sanitize. I just find that it makes the kitchen feel so much cleaner if I clean the floors as well. Since I'm wiping down my other surfaces, I might as well wipe down the floor. So you'll see me sweep all of the kitchen eating area and kitchen, and then I'm going to go in with my steam mop after.
I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions.
I love my Bissell steam mop. It's just so easy to use. All you have to do is add water and it steams and sanitizes your floors. I do like to add essential oils to the mop pad. On this night, I added thieves and lemon, which is pretty typical. It's what I usually do just to give the kids a little immune boost and to help it smell nice too.
And without our feelings, baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la. I'm too invested. I should probably ask you all my questions. Get to know.
Now that the kitchen is completely clean, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my diffuser. I like to diffuse in the morning, in the afternoon, and then closer to bedtime. I find that it's just very relaxing and calming. On this night, I'm just diffusing orange and spearmint. I've been loving this combo at nighttime. It's very calming. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the living room.
Do you want me? And will you let me down?
Since my life is pretty crazy these days, it just gives me so much more peace knowing that my kitchen is all clean, and tomorrow when all of the craziness starts again, I know that I'll have a nice head start on my day.
You were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky.
As I mentioned before, we were outside on this night going for a walk, and we were just busy between dinner time and bedtime. So the kids did not really help me clean up in the living room. They're usually very good about this, and I'm so thankful for that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up their toys, put it in the basket, and then take it down to the playroom. And then I also just kind of need to fluff the pillows, and I'm gonna vacuum in here as well because the kids did have Cheez-Its earlier and I saw some crumbs.
I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights.
I'm also going to light a candle in here because I can't often light the candle here in the family room during the daytime because Grandma is usually awake and playing, and it's just not the safest. So I'm going to light that just to make it even more cozy in here.
Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
One of the last things I do on my nighttime cleaning routine checklist is just run through the rest of the main living that doesn't get touched a lot or doesn't get used a lot throughout the day, but I will find that sometimes things are out of place or they need to be put away, either the kids or myself. I saw my laptop there and I needed to put that back on my desk. And then I also like to go ahead and close the windows and blinds for the night.
Laugh out loud. Don't wanna be shy.
You saw me picking up toys earlier and putting it in this basket. That's what I like to do every single day. I'll have that basket upstairs, the kids will play, and then at nighttime we fill up the basket and bring it down here and put everything away. I find that's the easiest way for me to keep toys at bay upstairs. I don't like a lot of clutter up there. The kids have this big awesome playroom to play in, so I really want them to utilize it. So I'm just putting everything where it goes, and then you'll notice I'll take the basket back upstairs as well. And then because the kids do play in here a ton, I like to come through here really quick with just some disinfectant spray. This is 7th generation, and I'm just gonna spray the high contact areas. I'm not going through and cleaning every toy every night. That would be a little ridiculous, but I am spraying areas that I know the kids played in.
Just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch.
Now I'm going to take some things upstairs that I had collected. They need to go back to their place, and I'm bringing a load of laundry back downstairs. And the final thing I'm going to do to end my cleaning routine is to fold a load of laundry. I love to do this sitting here in the formal living room because I don't really get to enjoy this space enough. So early in the morning and late at night is the time that I'll tend to sit in here. I have a candle lit. I'm catching up on some YouTube videos and just getting some laundry done.
You are the solution.
And I just wanted to say, if you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed out, I'm right there with you. But hang on, we're going to get through this, and you're doing an amazing job. Your kids love you. They think the world of you. And every day his mercies are new and we get a fresh start. That is why I love to go through this nighttime routine, because it really does help me get a fresh start. Even if we had a crummy day, I know that tomorrow we'll wake up and everything will be new. So I'm super thankful for that. And I'm also thankful for you watching this all the way through. It does mean a lot to me. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next one. Bye guys.